Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. If you'd like to see how I made this delicious beef burger and cheese from scratch, then keep on watching. So the first thing you need is this burger bread or burger bun. I made this and the video is on my channel. I'll link it at the end of this video. You can make it without a mixer. You need a burger bun or burger bread that has the structure that is firm enough yet soft to be able to carry your patty and every other thing you want to put inside it. As you can see, this looks very soft, but at the same time it's perfect. So the first thing you do is to add some butter on your grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use a non-stick pan. You're going to toast your bread for some minutes, 3 to 4 to 5 minutes. Toast it on this side and the other side, and at this point it was already toasted to the satisfaction or to my own preference. So toast it to your own preference and then take it off the pan, toast the other side. So next you go in with your patty. You can make this yourself at home. It's very easy to do. Get your minced meat, add in your onions, your pepper, your seasoning, add in 1 egg as a binder and mold it into the shape, and that's it. Just set it aside for this. So add some oil into your pan and then you're going to grill this on each side. Make sure you grill it until it's properly cooked. Press out the juice inside to be sure that you're not eating uncooked beef. So at this point it was ready, so I decided to take it out. So now we've set everything we want to use. We have some cheddar cheese, we have lettuce that has been cleaned, we have sliced tomatoes, onions, and our cream, and of course we have our grilled beef. So you can also use mayonnaise for this recipe. Spread a generous amount of the cream, and by the way, this cream mixture is ketchup, mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and any other thing you'd like to add in. And next you go in with your lettuce. You can add cream to your lettuce before adding your hot grilled beef, and also add some cream on the grilled beef before adding in your cheese. So you do this because you want the cheese to be slightly melted, but you do not want to do it while it's on the heat. Add your tomatoes. You can add more tomatoes. Add your onions. Trust me, you can go in with much more than this. Some people add eggs to this, but this is not the recipe for that. So now you're just going to add some cream to this. You can go in with as much cream as you'd like. So you're going to spread some more cream on this side of the bread also. This is going to be the covering. Be generous with it, except you do not want so much cream as I mentioned earlier, and you just place it on it. It's better to use a drizzle bottle, but I mean this was a very quick one and I didn't get that. The next thing you just put in between is your skewer. Cut your skewer to the required height and your burger is ready. So let's do this again. Layer your cream on the toasted bread. Add your lettuce. You can go in with cream on the lettuce. Trust me, it tastes delicious if you want a juicy burger. Add in your grilled beef, which is hot at the moment. Place your cheddar cheese on it. Add some tomatoes. If you're a fan of tomatoes, add more. Trust me, it tastes so delicious. You would love the taste of the tomatoes and the fresh onions. And also go in with some cream. Go in as much as you'd like. Now add some cream on the other side of the bread that has been toasted. Don't forget, for some crunch. Go in with it as much as you want the cream, like I mentioned earlier. Cover it, cut up your skewer, and just place it into it to hold everything together. Trust me, the combination of this yummy bread and this burger, the patty, the beef, every single thing just makes it so delicious. Let's take a bite and see. Can you see that cheese? Can you see the tomatoes, onions, everything peeping through, even the beef? Can you see how huge it is? Trust me, this tastes so delicious. Please do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.